Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Witcaster 4K mini spy camera. It's a Wi-Fi hidden wireless nanny cam. It's a small indoor home security secret camera, tiny micro surveillance camera with night vision, artificial intelligent human detection, PIR long lasting device. Oh, the long lasting comes to a long range of battery life. Stunning 4K Ultra HD live videos are possible. This mini spy cam here, only 1.6 inch to 1.6 inch to 1.6 inch, features an HD 160 degrees wide angle lens that streams in 4K resolution video with accurate color production. The reproduction of the color is really good for this small shape. This ensures we will be able to make out all the details of activities in the room we are recording. In tight spaces, 160 degrees viewing angle is like taking a big step back to capture more of our surroundings. And with a long-lasting battery and innovative low-power technology. With the built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, this small hidden nanny cam can continuously record for 19 hours on a single charge. More importantly, the battery can last 7 up to 20 days without recharging with the low power consumption mode enabled. Depending on how often we are using the PIR sensor, and up to 100 days in deep sleep standby mode are possible, as you can see. And PIR motion sensor and a cloud storage. The upgraded PIR sensor sends us instant alerts with video clips when motion will be detected, so that we can know what's happening in real time and keep the advice. Motion triggered video will also be saved and uploaded to the cloud storage as you like. Of course, if you want that service in a bigger range, this will you have to go and subscribe this, for example. But this is a normal thing, okay? Otherwise, you can use a micro SD card to save the movies, of course, or you can use your smartphone, for example, to save your videos and photos of this camera. And it's really invisible. Night vision. This sees in the dark up to 26 inches away. The 4K wireless micro security cam will instantly enable the night vision mode and capture subjects up to 26 feet away as soon as it's dark enough. There will be no visions, red lights to give away that we are recording in darkness. That cheaper product used because of the older, outdated technology, for example. When in night vision mode, the video being recorded is, of course, in black and white, as you can see. But this is enough to see everything what is important to see. Really cool camera system, as you can see. Security is the area of expertise, and that's the foundation of what they do. Over the years, they have been a leading offline supplier of security and surveillance solutions for consumers and business too. With the vision of making high quality, easy to use, and affordable small security cameras accessibility to everyone, they built the Witcaster brand to build a seamless factory to consumer online shopping experience. This is the ultimate video quality we can get for an ultra small security camera with only 1.6 inch dimensions that will capture the most pristine detail for a brilliant visual experience. An all-new image sensor makes this tiny secret spy cam produce crisp and super clear 4K Ultra HD live feed. And all the video being recorded is in real 1080p Full HD quality color video using the powerful high silicon chips. This ensures we will be able to make out all the details of activities in the room we are recording with incredible fluid, smooth, and motion up to 30 frames. We will amaze that all the detail can be captured in a so tiny, small camera system. We see the most of our rooms, edge to edge, without missing a thing. All the videos is recorded in MP4 format using the H.264 advanced video coding compression into time date stamped files for easy saving, sharing, emailing, or playback on our personal computer or Mac or computer or smartphone via the app or what you are going to make a playback with it. And nothing complicated there. They have designed the Wi-Fi hidden Nanny cam to be easy to both set up and use. We just download the free live streaming app to our smartphone or tablet. We turn on the camera, and then we use the app to connect the HD camera to our existing Wi-Fi network. The entire setup process generally takes just about 5 minutes. And we will have our mini spy cam up and running to view anywhere in the world. No wiring, no professional knowledge is required. And we can use this upgraded version 10 mini wireless camera really cool because it's artificial intelligent powered human shape detection. Oh yeah. Custom monitoring areas for motion detection. Oh yeah. Motion detection shuttle. Oh yeah. NS Wi-Fi mode. Oh yeah. This improved the distance and the stability of the Wi-Fi connection. Battery life increased from 5 up to 14 days to 7 up to 20 days in low power consumption sleep mode. Oh yeah! And optimized imaging quality for a clearer and sharper video with more accurate color production. We have here Ultra HD 4K, long-lasting battery life. We can make an app control, 2.4G Wi-Fi network compatible, but if you have a 5G network, no problem for it, because every router with 5G can make a 2.4G Wi-Fi network too. PIR motion detection, night vision, 160 degrees wide angle, and we have a free cloud storage and 24/7 loop recording. That's really cool, because easy to hide, easy to set up. It's a nice babysitters, caretakers, kids, cheaters, abusers, intruders, employers, a car and mail, security camera system. We're going into stealth mode for our cover security needs with the 4K mini spy cam by Witcastive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.